Hey there! Are you ready to make 2024 the year you start investing and take control of your financial future? Investing can seem daunting at first, but with the right strategies, you can navigate the financial markets with confidence and ease. Whether you're just getting started or looking to refine your strategy, I've got you covered with the top 5 investment tips that every beginner needs to know. These tips will help you build a solid foundation and set you on the path to financial success. So, let's dive right in. The world of investing is vast and varied, but starting with the basics can make all the difference. First up, let's talk about stocks. Stocks are one of the most popular investment options, and for good reason. Stocks represent ownership in a company and can offer significant returns over time. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a piece of that company. But don't just jump in blindly. It's crucial to understand the companies you're investing in. Do your research on companies, understand their business models, and diversify your portfolio to spread out your risk. Diversification is key to managing risk and ensuring that your investments are well balanced. Think of it like not putting all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across different sectors and industries, you can protect yourself from market volatility. Follow the trends, but don't let them dictate every move. It's important to stay informed, but also to make decisions based on your own research and analysis. Next, we have bonds. Bonds are a more conservative investment option compared to stocks. Bonds are essentially loans you give to companies or governments. In return, they pay you interest over a set period of time. They tend to be less volatile than stocks and can provide a steady income stream. This makes them an attractive option for those looking for stability in their investment portfolio. For beginners, bonds can be a great way to balance out the risk in your investment portfolio. They act as a cushion against the ups and downs of the stock market. They're like the reliable friend who always pays you back. Investing in bonds can provide peace of mind, knowing that you have a steady source of income. Now let's get into real estate. Real estate has long been considered a solid investment choice. Real estate investing isn't just for the wealthy. There are various ways to get involved in the real estate market, even with a modest budget. With options like real estate investment trusts, REITs, you can start small and still benefit from the real estate market. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without having to buy property directly. Plus, owning property can provide rental income and potential appreciation over time. It's a tangible asset that can grow in value and provide long-term financial benefits. It's like planting a tree that grows money. With the right property, you can enjoy a steady stream of rental income and watch your investment appreciate over time. All right, let's talk about the buzzword of the decade, cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies have revolutionized the financial world, offering new opportunities and challenges. Cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum have taken the world by storm, but they come with high risk and high reward. The volatility of the crypto market can lead to significant gains, but also substantial losses. If you're considering crypto, only invest money you can afford to lose and stay updated with market news. It's essential to stay informed and be prepared for the unpredictable nature of the crypto market. It's the wild west of investing, so proceed with caution. The potential for high returns is there, but so is the risk. Finally, we have mutual funds and ETFs. These investment vehicles offer a way to diversify your portfolio with ease. These are collections of stocks, bonds, or other securities grouped together. By investing in mutual funds or ETFs, you gain exposure to a wide range of assets. They offer instant diversification and are managed by professionals. This means you benefit from the expertise of fund managers who make investment decisions on your behalf. For beginners, they can be a smart way to invest without having to pick individual stocks. It's like having a team of experts working for you, ensuring your investments are well managed. Think of it as joining a team rather than playing solo. This collaborative approach can help you achieve your financial goals more effectively. So there you have it, the top 5 investment strategies for beginners in 2024. These strategies can help you build a strong and diversified investment portfolio. Stocks, bonds, real estate, cryptocurrencies, and mutual funds, ETFs. Each of these options offers unique benefits and can play a crucial role in your investment journey. Each has its pros and cons, but the key is to start now and stay informed. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Billionaire Queen community. By subscribing, you'll gain access to more valuable insights and strategies to help you on your investment journey. I've got plenty more insights and strategies coming your way, so stay tuned. Together, we can navigate the world of investing and achieve financial success. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday, but the second best time is today. Don't wait any longer to take control of your financial future. Let's make 2024 your year of financial empowerment. With the right strategies and a proactive approach, you can achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay motivated, stay informed, and happy investing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.